It's Carla again from the Learn English by Speaking English show. And we are going to do the lesson on how to make images and where to publish them for your English show. Well, let's first talk about images. It's very, very easy. Use canva.com. And you can go there, you can create the image. It's very easy to do. It's drag, drop, and there it is. You save it to your hard drive, and then you put it on Facebook very easily. This can be your cover page for your group. It could be your cover page for your page. It can be the posters that you make announcing your course. Just go to Canva. You can get it both on your phone and your computer. On your phone, it's an app. Well, it's an app on your computer too, so to speak. And download it and use it. You'll find that you can make beautiful images. And then when you go, before you start your class, you go and you publish it 24 hours in advance, and also right before you go on air. And your images are there. People look at images and say, oh, Johnny is teaching English today. Let's go to his class. And the class begins to grow. Easy, simple, easy peasy, as we would say in the United States. And we have finished all the different classroom sessions that we have for this course. And I want to thank you for being here. Talk to you soon. Bye.